Welcome to UMC Virtual High School. Inspected by the Ministry of Education, our high school offers credits for the Ontario Secondary School Diploma, OSSD. At UMC Virtual High School, we provide more than just online courses. We offer comprehensive curriculums, engaging recorded lecture content, live webinars, peer tutoring sessions, and group interactions. Over 27 plus online credit courses are offered in 6 streams, including English, Mathematics, Science, Business, Social Sciences, History, and ESL. Several units depend on each course. A final grade and credit are granted and recorded if students achieve 50% or higher. 70% of the grade is from evaluations conducted throughout the course to reflect the student's most consistent level of achievement. 30% of the grade is from the final evaluation, based on one or a combination of an examination, a performance, an essay, and or another form of assessment suitable for the course content. To enhance the virtual experience, we implemented the learning platform Moodle. Moodle provides a secure, easy-to-use way for teachers, students, and parents to collaborate and communicate. In this video, we're going to show you how students learn from using the Moodle platform. Students will receive a welcome email, account name, and password from their course instructor. When you first log in, you'll see several things on the navigation bar of your home site, including the dashboard, site home, calendar, private files, and My Courses. An essential tool to familiarize yourself with is the internal messaging system. To access it, click your profile photo on the minibar. There, you can send a private message to your instructor or peers. You'll also notice the Update widget on the minibar. This handy tool provides easy access if you have unread messages, course updates, grades, deadlines, or requests. On the dashboard, you can see all your enrolled courses on the navigation bar. To access, simply click on the images of the courses. When you're inside a course, you can see the important announcements, course profile, content, textbook material, and other resources on the Materials page. The first thing you'll most likely notice is the School Policies section from your instructor. The course outline serves to help you understand more about the course, expectations, assessments, and evaluations. You can also find here the Zoom links and other detailed information about your weekly live webinars, peer sessions, or group interactions with your instructors. In each unit, you'll find the learning goals, discussion board, and other additional resources. In each lesson, you can see the comprehensive curriculums, lesson content, and engaging recorded videos. You may also find more additional learning materials to support the learning outcomes of the curriculum. The Grades tool is crucial for keeping track of a student's progress. The Grades tool shows any grades you have earned and feedback. As you can see, Moodle provides many features to help students and teachers engage with each other. Once you start learning on Moodle at UMC Virtual High School, you'll learn even more outstanding features. We hope to see you online soon.